Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove image title appear on image hour and Divi theme builder in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we hover on image, then you see image title appear. So we are going to remove it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Divi and then you see theme option, so click on it. Now Divi theme option open and then you see multiple option, so click on integration and then you see code integration and then you see add code to a head of your blog. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to hide image title appear on image hover. Now scroll down, click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to page and refresh the page. So when we hover on image again, now you see image title not appear and Divi theme builder in WordPress. Now you don't see any image title appear. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.